If you have the error message of data transfer cancelled when setting up your brand new iPhone using your old iPhone, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you the solution. Whenever you're setting up your brand new iPhone using an old iPhone, it will ask you to set up Siri. To do this, you then have to talk and say phrases to your new phone so it learns your voice. What happened to me and what happens is that your old phone, while in the midst of the data transfer, will activate and open a different app because of you setting up Siri on your new phone. It will also activate. As you can see on my phone, the directions app opened up. Now, this cancels the data transfer. And what this means is that on your new phone, you get this message, data transfer cancelled. It's a very annoying error and you have to restart fully your phone, your brand new phone, and factory reset it despite not fully setting it up. So you can go through that same process again of resetting up your entire phone with the data transfer from your old phone. So here you can see I've got that error message. I have to erase everything and set it up again in order to allow that data transfer to occur. However, what do I need to do differently when setting up my new phone so that the same Siri error does not occur? Well, my recommendation to fix this is that you simply skip setting up Siri on your new phone until after the data transfer has occurred and everything else has been set up. If you do that, then you'll not encounter that data transfer error and everything will work out perfectly. Thank you.